Good morning, kids. The world is composed of people from different backgrounds who speak various languages and follow customs and religions. Only by being respectful to each other we can live in peace and harmony. Yes, children, that is what the story is all about today, children, a change in attitude. So, today we will see that when we start respecting each other's culture, the way we speak, the way we, respect our God, we will see how peaceful and how loving we become to each other. So, let's read the story. Amina tried her best to lip sync along with the girls singing in the school prayer during the morning assembly. She had not really memorized the words, so it was not easy. She couldn't wait for the assembly to end, so she could not stop the choir that she had to take part in the morning every day. Her God was different from the God that the school believes in. When they sang the school song, she felt that she was being disloyal to her own God. So her solution has been to pretend. The school has a strict policy that all the students have had to sing the school prayer. She was scared that one day she would be caught and be taken to principal. The principal, Miss Teresa, was known to be very particular about the prayer and was very disciplinary. There had been an incident 6 months ago when a student of 6th grade has been caught not singing the prayer song. She has been marched to the principal's office after the assembly. No one knew what happened to the girl after that. She never came back to school. So now this is a story about Amina, children, who was a part of the school prayer choir. So she did not remember the school prayer song because she used to worship a different god. But she was scared that because she did not remember the song, the teacher will take her to the principal's room, and the principal was very strict because she wanted all the students to sing the school prayer. Amina was always aware that one day one of the teacher had an eye on her and had also seen the teacher staring directly at her. This morning too, Amina has felt her eyes on her. She just kept her eye down and walked past, hoping the teacher did not notice her. The next morning, Amina, as usual, did not join in the prayer. Let's go. The teacher caught hold of her arm lightly and then filed back to their classroom. Amina looked up and found the same teacher walking to her in the direction of the principal room. Come in, came a voice from behind the door when the teacher knocked. Ma'am, this is the girl I had told you about. Thank you. You can leave. I will talk to her. Miss Teresa was unexpectedly kind. So now Amina knew that one teacher was looking at her, and she knew that Amina was not singing the school prayer. So the next morning the teacher asked Amina not to take part in the assembly, and she took her to the principal's room, wherein the principal said, you can come in and you leave the child with me and ask the teacher to go back and join the assembly. The teacher had a smug look on her face and she turned and left. I am told Amina that you do not like to sing the school prayer. Do you want to explain yourself, knowing this is a school prayer? It is compulsory. So now the principal said, Amina, the teacher told me that you do not like to sing the school prayer. Why do you don't like to sing the school prayer? Tell me that. Ma'am, when I sing the school prayer, I feel like I am unfaithful to my God. My parents tell me that our God is different from yours. She said her piece and hung her head crying. So now the child said to the principal that my parents told me that our God is different and your God is different. So she started crying and she looked downwards. Miss Teresa looked at her for a few seconds before saying, you were right to be scared. There was another girl who had not sung the song. I am sure you must have heard about her. After that, the girl left the school. I had realized I should not have been so harsh. So do not be scared. I realize that. I realize that you have your own way to prayer and we have our own. You have your own beliefs and we have our own. You should not be punished for having a different way of talking to God. So now the principal says, don't be worried, Aminia, don't be scared of me. I know that you have a different God and your beliefs are different, you pray differently, and so we also pray differently. I would have liked it, no doubt, but if you could take part in the school prayer, but I am not going to take any action against you. So the principal said, I would really have liked you if you would take part in the assembly, but I am not going to take any action against you. Amina was shocked to hear this from the principal. She had such a different image of her head in her head of what she thought was going to happen. It is important for all of us to tolerate each other and our differences. We don't have to sing along, but we can please be respectful while praying songs are being sung. Amina nodded her head quietly and took her leave from a smiling Miss Teresa. So Amina had a different image of the principal. She said that if I am going to tell the truth, the principal is really going to throw me out of the school. But then when she heard what Miss Teresa said, she was shocked and she was very happy. So the principal said, no problem, you don't sing the song, but you should always be respectful for any other religion song. You should not disrespect her. So Aminia nodded her head and took the leave quietly, and while she was leaving, Miss Teresa was smiling, looking at her. Yes, children, this is what tolerance is all about. We all are different. We all have different ways to pray to our God. We have all different ways to respect our God. Some goes to church, some people will visit mosque, some will go to temple, but then our God is always one. So we should always respect each other's religion and we should not disrespect them. Okay, this was the story about tolerance. So I hope you like the story. I will see you in the next class with one more story, children. Till that time, bye bye and take care.